Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe at your home. This is class 10th, subject English, and this is my second lecture of grammar chapter conjunctions. In first lecture, we covered two types of conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunction. So now the subtopics that today we are going to cover, these topics are types of conjunctions. First of all, we shall discuss all types of conjunctions. Then correlative conjunctions, as in lecture 1 we have already done coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. So in this lecture we are going to cover correlative conjunctions, and at last we shall discuss homework solution of lecture 1. Two exercises were given to you, so we shall discuss those exercises. So let us begin. So types of conjunctions, as we have already read that there are three kinds of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. So already in lecture 1 we have completed coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. So today we shall cover correlative conjunctions. So before beginning the types, we must know the meaning of conjunctions. So let us read the definition. Conjunctions are words that join two or more words, phrases or clauses. So here are some examples. In first we are going to read that conjunctions join two or more words. Example is the dog scratched and panted. Then next is joining two or more phrases. My doctor can choose to measure my height, my weight or check my temperature. Then joining two or more sentences. Here are two sentences. Eric wants to play basketball. Annie, second sentence, Annie wants to play soccer. So Eric wants to play basketball but Annie wants to play soccer. So this but is joining here two sentences. And in second example, or is joining phrases. And in first example, and is joining two words. Correlative conjunctions. So let us start. Correlative conjunctions. These conjunctions are sort of like tag team conjunctions. They always come in pairs, they are always used in pairs, and you have to use both of them in different places in a sentence to make them work. They get their name from the fact that they work together, means correlated, and relate one sentence element to another. That's why they are called correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions include pairs such as both and, either or, neither nor, not, but, and not only but also. So here are some examples. So let us read. Either or. First of all, either or. I want either the cheesecake or the chocolate cake, means there is option. Then next is both and. We shall have both the cheesecake and the chocolate cake. So sentence is same, but we use these correlative conjunctions. Either or, both and. Now next, whether or. I didn't know whether you would want the cheesecake or the chocolate cake, so I got both. So this is the use of whether and or. Then next pair is neither nor. Oh, you want neither the cheesecake nor the chocolate cake, no problem. So here we have used this correlative conjunction, this pair of correlative conjunctions, neither and nor. Then next is not only but also. I will eat them both, not only the cheesecake but also the chocolate cake. Next example of not and but. I see you are in the mood not for desserts but appetizers. I will help you with those too. So these are the examples of correlative conjunctions. Now some more examples. As and as. Bowling is not as fun as skeet shooting. As and as, then such that. Such was the nature of their volatile relationship that they never would have made it even if they had wanted to. So this is the example of such that. The next is scarcely or when. I had scarcely walked in the door when I got an urgent call and had to run right back out again. So with scarcely we use when, with such we use that, with as, with neither, nor, with either, or, with not only, but also, with both, and. Now next pair, it is as many as. So example is, there are as many curtains as there are windows. Next pair, no sooner and then. I would no sooner lie to you than strangle a puppy. Next, rather than. She would rather play the drums than sing. So these are some pairs of correlative conjunctions. Now let us discuss some exercises to understand it more clearly. First exercise, find out the correlative conjunctions in these given sentences. So first sentence is, neither the bat nor the ball belongs to me. So here the pair is neither nor. Second sentence, my sister reads both novels and plays. So the pair is both and. Next sentence, Ralph could not decide whether to go or to stay at the party. So here the pair is whether and or. Next is, she neither agreed nor disagreed. So correlative conjunctions, neither nor. Next sentence, your brother is both funny and intelligent. Same pair is given here, both and. Now let us move ahead. Sixth sentence, the ball landed either in the lake or in that bush. So in this sentence we see the pair of either and or is used. The next sentence, the food here is both inexpensive and tasty. So the pair is both and. The next, not only did we go to the fair, but we also won a prize. So the pair is, correlative conjunctions are not only but also. Then ninth sentence, the coach would not say whether Phil or Don would pitch. So the pair is whether and or. 10th sentence, on ice you must drive both slowly and carefully. So here correlative conjunctions are both and. This is the pair. So with both we use and, with whether or, with not only but also, with either or, with neither nor. Now next. 11th sentence, both Eric and Aaron play tennis. So once again, the pair is both and. Next sentence, they not only compete but also practice. So not only but also. This is the pair. Next is, they feel neither nervous nor upset in a game. So the pair is neither nor. Then 14th sentence, Eric studies his opponent both before a game and during a game. So we know that we use and with both. Next 15th sentence, they both play either singles or doubles. So here correlative conjunction pair is either and or. So this is the exercise related to correlative conjunctions. So do it carefully. Now let us discuss one more exercise of correlative conjunctions. Complete the sentences with missing part of the correlative conjunctions. So in one part, one correlative conjunction will be given to you, and in another part blank will be given to you to find out the correlative conjunction. First sentence, no sooner had we sat down for lunch dash it started to rain. So we know that we use then with no sooner, so the answer will be then. Second sentence, either you behave yourself dash you will get detention. So here either is used, so another side we shall use or. I am not as tall, with as we are going to use as. I am not as tall as you. The next sentence, both Sally and Suzanne were late to the meeting. So both is given. So with both we are going to use its pair and. Then next sentence, neither Bradley nor Angelica knew the answer. So with neither we use nor, with both we use and, with as, with either we use or, with no sooner we use than. Now next exercise, coordinating conjunctions. Choose the correct coordinating conjunction to complete the sentence. So let us begin. First sentence, she invited Marco dash Theresa to the party. So the answer will be and. Coordinating conjunctions, as we have already done, we have learned one word for these conjunctions, fan boys. So A stands for and. So she invited Marco and Theresa to the party. Second sentence, what kind of music do you like? Classical or hip hop? So here we are going to use or. Next, it is a beautiful day, so we are going to the park. Fourth sentence, I went to London but I didn't see the Queen. Fifth sentence, he practices the piano every day for he wants to be a musician. Now next. So we have discussed exercises based on correlative conjunctions and coordinating conjunctions. So let us discuss one more exercise related to subordinating conjunctions. Choose the correct subordinating conjunction to complete the sentence. First sentence is, my friend often goes to London, whereas I have never been there. Next sentence, she earns a lot of money. Here we can use both as or because. She earns a lot of money as she is a very famous actress, or because she is a very famous actress. Next sentence, last night there was a power outage while we were watching TV. Next sentence, he gave me his phone number so that I can call him anytime. Next sentence, since it was so dark on the way home, I used my torch. Now see here, homework. What to do? Your homework is to read the chapter conjunctions from your grammar book and revise all the rules and definition, and there are all three types. These are coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. Now, homework solution of lecture 1 of conjunctions. 2 exercises were given to you. So let us discuss. Exercise 1. Point out the conjunctions in the following sentences and state whether they are coordinating or subordinating. So first sentence is, you will not succeed unless you work harder. So here which conjunction is used? Conjunction is unless, and this is subordinate conjunction. Then next, I waited till the train arrived. So here till is the conjunction. It is once again subordinating conjunction. Then third, you will get the prize if you deserve it. So there is a condition. So it is subordinate conjunction. If, don't go before I come. So this before is subordinating conjunction here. Then next sentence, since you say so, I must believe it. So since is subordinating conjunction. Now next, sixth sentence is, I shall be waxed, means I shall be tensed if you do that. Once again, if is given for condition. So it is subordinating conjunction. Then I didn't come because you didn't call me. So because is given, reason. It denotes reason. So it is subordinating clause, subordinating conjunction. Then he is richer than I am. So than is used for comparison. So it is also subordinating conjunction. Then next, catch me if you can. So this is also subordinating conjunction. Next, he deserved to succeed for he worked hard. So 4 is here coordinating conjunction. So this is the solution of first exercise. Now let us move ahead. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with appropriate conjunctions. Be just, dash fear not. Do just means do fear, and do not fear. Fear, do not get afraid, means be just and fear not. Second, make haste or you will be late. Open rebuke is better than secret law. So then will be the answer. The next, 3 and 3 make 6. So here we will fill and. Then fifth sentence, he will not come if it rains. So if is the correct answer. Then sixth, he was punished since he was guilty. Seventh, Kareem is tall while Abdul is taller. Then eighth, water and oil will not mix. Then ninth, man proposes but God disposes. 10th, please write as I dictate. So these are the answers of second exercise. So do your homework and send me the snapshots of homework on my email ID, and I hope you have understood what I have been taught to you. If you like our videos, please press like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you.